game. It's a rich thing.
Alright guys, welcome to another video. We might do a quick 4th gen content, easy, but I'll just show you guys who's here. We still have Eddie's car, you've been seeing that. We got Armando here. You seen him at last Weenie Fest, and this is the only time you ever see him is at Weenie Fest because he likes the weenies. So we got Armando here, got Chance here fixing something that Armando probably broke. Got Dylan here watching Chance fix something that Armando broke. We got Mario
wearing 2 hats
without the mustache, and then we're all here. I'll pick it up in the morning time or later today. We're gonna be installing a 3rd brake module on the 4th gen by Osman, and I'll show you guys right after. All right, forgot I actually have the set here. So we actually got the 3rd brake tail light module. Easy, plug and play. Shout out to Osman, Instagram right here. And these are super easy to work on. So we just pop open the trunk and we're just gonna pull off this cover. And the way he makes it is straight plug and play. Just unclip it, put this in between, and you're gonna have a strobe. So let me pull this off and I'll show you guys right after. All right, before we even mess with it, let's do it before. So go ahead and step on the brake. And we're gonna show you guys just a normal brake.
I don't have to start it or nothing?
No. All right, you can see it is just a regular brake. So we're gonna go ahead, I got it pulled off. I'm gonna go unclip some of these connectors. I mean, these 8 mils, and pull the headlight out. Yeah, all right. Now that we got these off, we're gonna go ahead and take it off. Don't mind the diaper, we're on daddy duty now. We got it all off, so we're gonna slide these out. I'm gonna use 2 hands, so I'm not gonna show this part, but I'll show it removed. And we got our little helper here. But yeah, let me pull this off and I'll show you guys right after.
Oh.
He said nothing but great things about you. You're so stupid.
Yeah. That's what I do.
Alright, so I'm assuming it's going to be this connector right here. I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. Alright, all that everything. I'm going to make sure you hook it up here.
That's how.
Anything happened to my dog?
We got it in. We got it. What it looks like is plug and play just like this for now. We'll see about tucking it. We're gonna go ahead and kind of just put it here, and we're gonna step on the.
Still be here for a while, huh?
Step on the brake. So go ahead and step on the brake. Let's see what the changes does. So this should be the new brake sequence. Hold it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, come out, step on the brake.
Okay.
So this is the new one. Hold it down.
Oh, that's dope.
That's dope. All right, so that's it. Let me see, figure out if I need to tuck it. If not, then we'll just leave it like that. So, all right, so I did not need to tuck it in. It literally just fit like normal, so there was plenty of room, so I didn't get caught on anything. Let's go ahead and put these on, and I'm just gonna do the other side. Same thing, so I'm not gonna show it. Yeah, I'll show you guys both of it at the same time. All right, we have both of them installed. Oh no. There we go. Oh, did it one more time? Oh, I thought that one did it too.
No, we'll have to get the other.
All right, they're both on. It's hard to see in the video. We will show some nighttime photos, but yeah, it looks good. Thank you, Osman, for a simple plug and play. Hit him up. Instagram here. I don't know if you have the website. If it does, I'll link it in the description. Pick it up next time for more 4th gen content. We got more 4th gen stuff going on. So we actually picked up the wheels from Mariah's car. These are not what we originally wanted, but due to the circumstances we are in, I don't know if I'll get into it or not, or we already did, depending on how good we stand by the original guy who was supposed to build our wheels. But we ended up picking up these, and I think these are going to be here set for a while. And I'll show you guys once we have them. So this is probably just the rear wheel, and it's pretty wide, pretty damn wide. Right here back at the house, and we have Mariah's new wheels. These are completely something different that we have not seen. But yeah, they're gonna look so good. We'll probably test fit them probably tonight, hopefully, because we want to get the rear camber kits on already. So we're gonna be getting this ready to go for Mariah. But yeah, this is gonna be her new wheels. These are OZ Tornadoes, which are super rare. Let's do a quick cinematic. We have a few things. We got the wheels. We're gonna test fit them, see how they poke out without any camber kits. We're gonna need to camber it. So we got one package so far from heel toe. This is for the rear. We're waiting for the front package to come in, and then we got fender rolling stuff. So we got, in case we're gonna have to roll it, most likely we do, because this thing is literally stock. So that's gonna be fun. But yeah, right now I do want to put this on jack stands and get this ready to remove. So we're going to test fit at least the rear wheels and then the front ones and see how much it pokes. It's a positive 11. I mean, this is a 19 by 11 right here. My God. Shit's wide. So for sure we're gonna have to camber it, of course. We already knew that's coming. But that's crazy. The rubber seal should be fine, hopefully. Alright, let me do the other side. I'm gonna do this point of doing the other side. But yep. So we're going for the front camber kits. The rear one, we're going to max out the camber. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. Let me open the package from Heel Toe Automotive. Shout out to Heel Toe. Here's his website in the bottom, Instagram right here. Let's open this up. Alright, so we got SPC arms. I think these are camber arms and toe arms. I believe that's how it works. We're going to go ahead and put these on. We're going to actually put it on this side and show you a difference between that side over there and the side I have with the wheel off to show you how much degrees. So we're going to max it out. Toe is just to fix the camber on the toe, and this is to fix to get as much camber as we can. So one of them is whatever. I don't know which one's which yet. But let's get into it. Alright guys, so this longer arm is gonna be your camber arm. So this one, instead of shorting it on the TLs like the top, you actually extend this as far as you can. So I'm gonna max out these as far as I can to ensure that I get max, and now I'm gonna match the other side. So let me do that now. Alright, take the 14 millimeter out there and right there and got it out. Super easy, wasn't even that tight. We're gonna go ahead and try to fit this somehow and see how it works for adjusting camber, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, you're doing camber kits on a Ford Gen TL. I see why it's required to get the toe, because the camera will throw this toe so off. So we're now gonna fix the toe and try to get this back more even, and then we'll keep adjusting. So now I'm gonna install the toe arms, and FYI, you're gonna need a bolt for this the nut, the original one, because this one has one, and the new one, at least my kit, didn't come with a new bolt. You can see. So until adjusting it without the bolt for now, everything's like loose, but just trying to get the feeling of everything. And now we're gonna do toe. Alright, so the toe arm is gonna be right here. This one's a 17, that's a 14. And you might need to use a 17 to hold this in. So I already got this one loose. I'm gonna go ahead and take these two off, and it should just pop right out. There's a clip here. I don't know if that's the, it shouldn't be an issue once we put the bolt back in, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I got this done. I'll show you guys more on this side what I have to do on the toe arm. It's kind of a pain in the ass, honestly, but this looks like it'll fit pretty good. I'm gonna have to roll the fenders for sure, but we might be able to air out and get fender to lip on this thing. So this is about done. I still gotta do this side, but you can see the difference in how it pokes out hella. Of course, it's not jack, but oof. All right, guys. So if you guys are doing the toe arm, which is this is a toe arm, you want to drop this. You can loosen this one, drop this, and it gives you enough room. We're gonna go ahead and take this one and this one out. This one, once this falls out of here, you go to slide this out. So once I get this done, I'll show you guys right now. Like I said, I got that bolt out. This bolt out. I'm gonna loosen this one up just a little bit, just to get it out of there. Should come right out. Just push right up. Like that. And then now we get to drop this down. We'll do it right now. Give me a minute. Let me just set you guys up. It's gonna be hard to do with 2 hands. Now, should be able to get this out just like that. All right, so we got this out. Put the new one in. We're gonna make sure it's maxed out shortness. So watch. I'm gonna put this one right in. Okay, this one no matter what side it goes on. And we're gonna go ahead and put the screw in, which is these two. And this is the same thing with the camber arm too. You make it short, and now watch. You move it, you spin it until it lines up. So it lines up over here. So let me do all this, and then we'll put this one back on. Alright guys, so battery might die. We're gonna go ahead and adjust this side to that side on this side. I'm using measuring tape and get it close. And I'm gonna show you guys how this affects a whole bunch of geometry and all that. We're gonna go ahead and adjust this. So the reason why you wanna make sure everything's even is when you adjust this, it moves it evenly out. So we're gonna adjust it, and you can see the arm or the actual knuckle move. Watch. Hard to tell, but then I'm gonna put the wheel on and show you what it does and why you need to get the toe arm and the camber arm at the same time. All right, look at it. So I matched the camber, not the toe yet, and look how crooked that wheel is. That wheel is so towed in. So now we're going to adjust the toe to get this perfectly straight, like this side. Now this one is more straighter. That's the next goal, and that's why you need both toe and camber arms. Just how I did the other one, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm not gonna show this part, but let me show you the after. All right, so I just got done adjusting the toe. Much better now. You can tell. Going off this side right here looks pretty damn straight now. Matches the other side. So well, I think we'll be done for this install for now. We'll see if it's long enough. If not, I will keep it going. So if anything, like, comment, and subscribe, and peace.